In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear plan, set the right time and duration, and add helpful details so nothing slips through the cracks. We'll walk through a simple example of planning a grocery trip, but you can apply the same approach to anything you need to schedule. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Calendar. If you're not signed in, sign in to your account so your plan is saved to the right calendar. You can view your calendar by day, week, or month. Use whatever view makes it easiest to see when you're free. To create your plan, click the Create button or click directly on an empty spot on your calendar. This opens the event window where you'll set everything up. In the title field at the top, type what your upcoming plan is. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to recognize later. Something like grocery run works great. Using an action word in the title helps you instantly know what the event is about at a glance. Let's place this plan on the weekend. Navigate to your weekend dates and choose the day that fits. For this example, click Saturday, November 30. If you're in the month or week view, you can just click on that date box to start the event right there. Next, set the time. Choose a start time that works for you by using the time selector. Then adjust the end time to set the duration. For this example, make it a 2-hour block by setting the end time 2 hours after the start. A quick tip here. Double check AM and PM so the event lands exactly where you expect. If you're prone to running long, you can give yourself a small buffer by ending a little later. Now click into the description area. This is where you can keep the details you don't want to forget. Type the list of items you need to buy: meat, vegetables, cooking oil, eggs, and anything else on your mind. You can put each item on a new line, add quick notes like preferred brands, or include quantities. This makes the event a handy checklist you can reference when you're out. When everything looks good, click Save. Your plan now appears on the calendar on the date and time you chose. If you need to tweak anything, just open the event and edit the title, time, duration, or description. That's it. Simple, organized, and ready to go.